their house. Okay. Okay. Hi guys, what are you doing, guys?
We're doing a good job.
That's your cage for your chicken?
Yes. Laying eggs.
Ah, okay. Laying chicken, laying eggs. Why laying eggs, oy?
Chicken day una.
uh, this their cage.
Ang chicken na mag-lay.
Tada, no chicken yet. You need to be hurry because it's late. Make sure no snake or the crocodile. No crocodile. This is our area here. Look.